Good day everyone. So, the topic that I chose is problem solving involving sequences. Objectives. Solve problems involving arithmetic and geometric sequence. Arithmetic sequence. So, ano nga ba ang arithmetic sequence? The difference between one term and the next term is constant. The pattern is continued by adding 2. So, ang explanation dito is mag-a-add ka ng 2 sa each number. So, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, and 7 plus 2 is 9, and so on. So, the formula for the nth term of arithmetic sequence is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times g. A sub n ang nth term, a sub 1 ang first term, n is the position of number, and d is the common difference. Example number 1. Pasig Stadium has 20 seats in the first row, 24 seats in the second row, 28 seats in the third row, and so on. How many seats are there in the third row? So, ang hinahanap natin dito ay ang a sub n or ang a sub 30. A sub 1 is 20, n is 30, and d 24 and 20. So, saan natin ito nakuha? Nakuha natin ito sa pag-subtract ng dalawang magkasunod na term, and nakuha natin ito sa second row, which is 24. First row is 20. So, 24 minus 20 is equals to 4. So, gagamitin natin dito ay ang arithmetic sequence formula. So, ito yon. Then transform natin siya. A sub 1 is 20, n is 30, d is 4. Then, gagawin natin dito ay yung unahin natin dito yung naka-parenthesis. So, 30 minus 1 is 29. Then, susunod natin dito yung 29 times sa 4. So, meron tayong 116. Susunod natin dito yung 20 plus 116. So, meron tayong 136 seats. So, meron tayong 136 seats sa pang-30th row. Example number 2. Biking is a form of exercise which is good for our heart and whole body as well. Suppose you are participating in a bikeathon for charity. The charity starts with 50 pesos in donation. Each participant must raise at least 200 pesos in pledge. What is the minimum amount of money to be raised if there are 75 participants? A sub 1 is 50 because the charity starts with these initial donations. Then D is 200 because each participant must raise at least 200 pesos. And A sub n ang nawawala or ang A sub 76. Take note that we are looking for the donation raised by 75 participants. So it means that we need to get A sub 76 including the initial donation of 50 pesos. N is 76. Solution. Then this is our formula or ang ating formula. Then transform natin siya. A sub 1 is 50, N is 76, D is 200. Then unahin natin ulit yung nasa parenthesis. So 76 minus 1 is 75. 75 times the 200 is 15,000. So 50 plus 15,000 is 15,050. So, meron tayong 15,050 na may-raise sa 75 participants. So, let's move on. Geometric sequence. So, ano nga ba ang geometric sequence? Each term is found by multiplying the previous term by a constant. The pattern is continued by multiplying 2. So, sa bawat number, mamumultiply siya ng 2. So, 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. And so on. So, ang formula natin sa geometric sequence is a sub n equals a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. A sub n ang nth term, a sub 1 ang first term, and position number, r is common ratio. Example number 1. Brian drops a basketball from a height of 2 meters. Each curved path has 56% of the height of the previous path. What height will the basketball reach at the top of the fourth path? A sub n ang hinahanap natin or ang a sub 4. A sub 1 is 2. N is 4 or ang hinahanap natin ang pang fourth path. R is 56% or 0.56. Paano ko siya nakuha? Nakuha ko siya sa pag-divide. So, divide ko yung 56 sa 100. Solution. Formula natin ay ito. Then, substitute. A sub 1 is 2. R is 0.56 and is 4. So, unay natin dito is 4 minus 1 is 3. Then, 0.56 raised to 3. So ito times mo siya sa sarili ng 3 beses. And, times 2. So, magiging sagot natin sa 0.56 raised to 3 times 2 is 0.35 meters. So, sa fourth path, aabot siya ng 0.35 meters. Example number 3. Rico invested 20,000 pesos at 5% interest rate compounded annually. How much money will he have after 4 years? So, ang isa pang application ng pagkuha ng geometric sequence ay compound interest. At ito ang formula niya. A equals P quantity 1 plus R raised to N. A is amount of money after 4 years after it, which is yung hinahanap. Then P, principal starting money, which is 30,000 pesos. R is rate of interest, which is 5% or in decimal is 0.05. N is the time, which is 4. Solution. Then write the formula. Then substitute. P is 20,000 pesos. R is 0.05. N is 4. Then, yung unang gagawin natin dito is yung naka-parenthesis is yung pagpa-plus natin. So, ang answer doon is 1.05. So, next na gagawin dito is 1.05 raised to 4 times 20,000 pesos. So, ang makukuha natin dyan ay ito. The amount of money after 4 years is 24,310.125. So, after 4 years, ito ang meron sa pera ni Rico. 24,310.125. Thank you, and that's all.